Hello guys, this is Grawish Sachdeva and today I'm going to talk to you about a common problem which is the resolution problem in VMware virtual machine. And also I'm going to give you the solution for this. So let's get started. My previous video I asked you which language do you prefer. As most of you voted Hindi, my videos will soon be available to you in Hindi. This time you have to tell me at what time you prefer to watch YouTube above in the poll here. It is a very common problem for beginners to use a virtual machine without any common clipboard option or any drag and drop option. Here are some issues which you face while using a VMware virtual machine. To solve these issues, you need to install VMware tools. For this, first log in into your virtual machine. Now go to Menu tab and press VM. Here you will find an option to install VMware tools. Click this. Now you will get a notification in your virtual machine that a CD is connected. Now copy all the contents of this CD and paste it in a folder on desktop. Now extract this archive into this folder. After extracting, go inside the folder and open a terminal in this. Please note that VMware Tools for Linux is written in Perl language. So make sure you have installed Perl packages in your virtual machine. Now type the following commands which are prompted on your screen. After typing all the commands, you have to reboot your virtual machine. Here I'll open full screen mode so that you can see it clearly. As you can see, the resolution problem is completely over. Now, let's log in into our virtual machine and check all the features one by one. Our first feature is drag and drop. Now let's check that out. Let us drag this image and drop it inside our virtual machine. I'll drop this image in root. As you can see, drag and drop worked successfully. Our next feature is Common Clipboard. Now let's try to copy this documents folder and paste it outside on the desktop. As you can see, the folder copied successfully and the Common Clipboard option is now available. Our third and very important feature is Common Clipboard for text. Now let's check that out. As you can see, our Common Clipboard for text is now available. Our fourth option is the display resolution. As you can see, the display resolution is now set to my PC resolution. Guys and girls, hope you enjoyed that. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.